Breakthrough. Succeed in overcoming an obstacle. She finally broke through her fears and gave the speech. Look through. Examine quickly. He looked through the documents before signing. Go through. Experience or examine carefully. He went through the report before submitting it. Pull through. Recover from a difficult situation. He was very sick, but he pulled through. Get through. Finish or manage something difficult. I finally got through the exam. Run through. Quickly review or rehearse. Let's run through the plan one more time. See through. Detect the truth behind something. I can see through his lies. Put through. Connect a call or make someone experience something. They put me through a lot of stress. Fall through. Fail to happen. Our travel plans fell through due to bad weather. Live through. Survive a difficult time. They lived through a terrible storm that destroyed their home. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.